हेलो सर, आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो।
हाँ कुश।
यस सर, यस सर।
अच्छा कुश, म्यूट कर दो ना सभी को
जी, सबको म्यूट
थोड़े
कर
टाइम
दो।
के लिए।
सब म्यूट है।
या ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। So good evening to all. We'll interact on a chat box. Hope I'm audible to all. कुश audible है?
सर आवाज आ रही है, आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते
Hanuman in oath. On my honor, I swear that I shall practice the teachings of Hanuman of homeopathy, perform my duty, render justice to my patients, and help the sick whosoever comes to me for treatment. May the teachings of Master Hanuman inspire me, and may I have the strength for fulfillment of my mission. So, the very important part is Dr. Kant has said we should treat a person who is sick or a man in sickness. So, to treat a person in a disease, we should know what is predisposition. Predispositions can be found from fundamental cause, which predisposition for disease causation, and then it becomes the disposition of a person, and we have knowledge from 211 aphorism where we learn when mind or the mental symptoms are the chiefly determines the disposition of a person, where the miasms comes into role, and then we study the diathesis of a person, which are the exciting causes, and more important is the deviation from the normal phenomena. Deviation from the normal phenomena has to be taken into consideration because that will show a person who is in need is going to a disease patient. It's important. From east to disease, this is how a diathesis is formed by explosion of SORA. So SORA explosion goes for acute disease and fundamental miasm which are caused. We can know the miasmatic cause behind the disease, and that is the cause of the then the chronic disease comes into it, right? So what is the fundamental and for planning and management is to treat the sick person and not the part. This is very, very important in understanding what to treat. So treatment is for the sick person and not to the part. And to define what is to be treated in every individual case. This is very important to understand who is sick, who is that person, who is this individual case, and to explore every disease as a phenomena. So if we are treating a person, we should treat each disease as a phenomenal changes or the evolution or in a journey wise. And we should pay attention to the deviation, and that is called the diathesis, which makes the diathesis of a person that we study in our Allen Skinner, that we study in our hearing guiding symptom, that we study in our class dictionary, and to explore what are called the course, the circumstances in which they occur. Now, this is very important. Three which I remember is causation, cause of disease, circumstances. Circumstances में ये for in the Dalgamara cases, we see getting wet in a rain and causing lot of problem. So Dalgamara causation would be getting wet. And then to understand the time, the circumstances, modifying disease symptom, and lastly, to pay attention to the similar symptoms with references. This is plan and management of our today's webinar. where we should know what to treat, what is individualization, what is phenomena which is occurring into the person, and I'll prove you with a very nice case of Crotellus horridus, and then we should know the importance of deviation with what Dr. Honeyman said. Deviation has to be taken into consideration to explore the causation, the cause of disease, then the circumstances, and then understand the time. The circumstances modify these, which are very, very important. So this should be our plan and management to understand the patient. So totality of symptoms, what has to be treated or what has to be cured. The first thing is individualization, the holistic approach, and the disease artificial and natural. That is very important. So these three triad come in every case, right? So now we start with a case of a person aged 65-year-old came for the complaint of alcohol-induced cirrhosis of liver. Alcoholic cirrhosis with hepatitis B antigen positive came on 31st January 2018, and he described his symptom that I have less appetite and I eat little food only if I but I drink water when I'm eating. This was the first information in the case of of liver with his B and positive, and he said that I little amount of food with lot of desire to drink water. Now this is very important information that we got our case. Then further after taking and if it is a tight and doesn't matter parent after eating it after it's increase बोलना चाहता खाने के बाद उस करना और अगर टाइट शर्ट पहना है तो मुझे नहीं this was the preliminary symptom we got from the patient. The question I asked whether it is a daily habit or it is happening. He said, many years I do not like tight clothes to wear. This is the phenomenon what he said. Right? Then what other things have a problem with? So I like to eat say pasta, noodles. That gives me a lot of food. This is eating pasta, noodles, and also the bread. This item was a big problem for him to eat. That was the data collected in our initial interview. So till now we have got little information. Everything starts after eating. He has to loosen his clothes and he is not able to bear the tight clothes. He feels vomiting and the the symptom in our initial. So repetition done, and this were the rubrics collected. Stomach, clothing aversion to stomach, appetite wanting, thirst, stomach eating after, stomach expectation, farinaceous food about after. Now these are food what he mentioned are the farinaceous food, and we have taken this rubric into an account. Right? Till now it is clear? Okay. Any other digestion symptom you have? Yes, he said sometimes when I eat, it also come out of a khatta and kadwa thing that comes out. Basically, he was saying something bilious which is coming out. after eating. Anything you have to say specially? So he said, I get lots of ukka, which when I'm brushing my teeth in the morning. So he has lot of nausea when brushing teeth in the morning. That was very good information about this person, a particular modality which came up. And then I asked when the ukka is more, or we can say it is nausea, when it is more. So he said, when I lie down on my right side, it is more. So symptom collected, and we repetize into rubric. Stomach vomiting, bile, bilious, eating after, stomach, nausea, lying down, side on right. And this remedy which were coming out, Bryonia and Croton, right? Then we'll move further. When I asked very interesting question, tell me about your nature and personality. He said, I am basically a builder. He was basically a builder, and he said very interesting part. In our builder lobby, we have to drink and eat non-vegetarian items. And what he said, I like to eat meat a lot, but sometimes it caused a problem for me. And I asked about the nature. I started telling about this फूड हैबिट्स. मतलब अपना फूड हैबिट्स में ये बोलता है कि मुझे नॉनवेज अच्छा लगता है, ईट एंड ड्रिंक मतलब अल्कोहल खाना अच्छा लगता है, एंड ये सब वो करता था अपने बिग फॉर्म में, बिकॉज बीइंग अ बिल्डर ही यूज्ड टू ईट ड्रिंक विद फ्रेंड्स, and in the builder lobby it is very common what he said. So symptoms were taken again. This were the symptoms in taken: food and drink, meat aggravation, food and drink, meat desire. These were the symptoms taken. Then another very interesting question I asked: any stressful event in your life? He said, I have no stressful event in my life, but one day as I was sitting in my farmhouse, I had a feeling that someone is there in the farmhouse. जब वो अपने फार्म हाउस में बैठा हुआ था तो उसको ऐसा फील हुआ कि जैसे कोई आदमी बैठा हो या कोई चीज आ रही है. And he said, I ran to see who was there. After some time, no one was there. मतलब this was the delusion of the person at that time. When this was first, मतलब क्वेश्चन पूछा कि पहली बार कब ऐसा हुआ. So it was for the first time that I felt that someone is moving or following me to my house. ऐसा फीलिंग होता था जब वो फार्म हाउस में ऐसा फीलिंग हुआ और अपने घर में भी ऐसा फील हुआ उसको. So this were the feeling, or we can say in our term as a delusion what he had. The question was asked further whether you had taken alcohol during that time. मैंने पूछा कि आपने अल्कोहल लिया था उस टाइम पे, तो बोला नहीं ऐसा नहीं था, not at all, but still I felt this several times. So the rubrics were taken. Rubrics were delusion people, someone, delusion imagination people, someone around. And ये rubric है delusion people, someone following behind. There's also we have this remedies total, right? Then further I asked, what type of dreams do you get? I get different types of dreams, especially about my father. Now it is very interesting part of the case where he tells me about his father. So I asked, why your father? He said he is no more now. मतलब वो मर गए हैं, एक्सपायर हो गए हैं, पर वो basically very strict. He was very strict father. He wanted me to become a lawyer, but I was not interested in lawyer. To become a lawyer, he was not interested, but his father was very strict. He wanted him to become a lawyer. So I asked, why lawyer? So he said, so that I can fight for the people, the poor, give justice in the court. अगर कर द
हेलो।
पॉलिटिक्स, या प्लीज।
हाँ सर, आपकी वॉइस म्यूट हो गई थी।
ओके, ऐसा है तो मैं वापस बोलूं, ड्रीम तक पता चला? ड्रीम
हाँ सर।
तो मैं थोड़ा रिपीट कर देता हूँ। आई आस्क्ड व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ड्रीम दैट यू गेट. He said, get different types of dream, especially about my father. Now, this is very, very important about this snake. This snake has the dream of father. This is how I learned this snake. And believe me, this understanding had made me clear, or rather insight into this snake Crotalus horridus. And believe me, this patient is doing so fine. और उसने बोला कि मेरे पापा जो है ना, मुझे लॉयर बनाने चाहते थे, पर मुझे इंटरेस्ट पॉलिटिक्स में था और मुझे पैसा कमाना था. एंड आई वांटेड टू मेक लॉट ऑफ मनी. एंड आफ्टर दैट ही स्टार्टेड बाइंग लॉट ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज इन हिज नेम. एंड then after he died, after his father died, he started getting lot of dream of his father. So I asked him what was the feeling in the dream. The feeling in the dream that he was very angry on me, and he was trying to say something in the dream about the property which I should buy or not. And then he said कि मैंने एक प्रॉपर्टी देखा है जहाँ वो जमीन दोष है और वास्तु दोष है. पापा बोल रहे थे कि मुझे वो बाय करना है, पर मैंने बोला वो जमीन दोष वाली है तो मुझे बाय करना नहीं है. एंड देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ फाइटिंग गोइंग ऑन, quarreling and fighting because of this buying property. And this was very interesting dream where father being angry on the son, and they were quarreling about a smaller thing, whether the property is of a vastu dos or not. So this was the dream, and the rubrics were collected. The dream, mind dream, father of, mind dream, angry, quarreling with father. This was very important. So I asked, any past history of illness? So he said, no, except cirrhosis, which I have, and hepatitis. Any other thing which you want to share? That was the question asked. Doctor, do not feel bad. He said, अब बुरा मत लगाइएगा. मुझे दवाई खाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I don't want to take any medicine. Just I like to do a lot of yoga and exercise. मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि मुझे दवाई खाऊं. That's very important about this case. But if anyone is in pain, मतलब कोई दुखी हो, जब मुझे उनको मदद करना हो, तो लोग मुझे फोन करते हैं, उनको मैं हॉस्पिटल ले जाता हूँ, और मैं खुद भी ब्लड डोनेट करता हूँ. एंड ब्लड डोनेशन मैं काफी करता हूँ. एंड थ्रू one of the transfusion, and he got this hepatitis B. And the rubrics were taken. The rubrics was mind, medicine, drugs ever to, abdomen, cirrhosis, liver. These were the main symptoms. Mind cares, worry, full of others about. And now the totality, you can see which drug which is coming up. Generalities, food, drink, meat, aggravation. Generalities, food, meat, desire. जब वो alcohol, parties, non-veg खाता था. These were the two rubrics. Then we have a dream of father. Then we have a dream calling with the father. Then we have an imagination and delusion that someone is coming. Then we have vomiting of bile after eating. Then we have nausea lying on the right side. Then we have stomach complaint, aversion to clothing. Then we have appetite, wanting with thirst, जब वो खाना खाता था तब उसको पानी की प्यास भी लगती थी. दिस वाज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग इनिशियल symptom of that person. And stomach eating after, erectation, pernicious food after. These were the totalities taken, and the medicine was given Crotellus horridus 30, one dose with 5 cup method for 15 days, and follow up after 15 days was taken. And he said, I have started eating and there is no vodka or hookah now. I am much better. Medicine then was given Crotellus horridus 0.1 for 30 days. The follow-up was done again, and he was much better. Then potency was raised to Crotellus horridus 0/2. 0/2. My voice is audible to all.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर.
I think
Sir. हाँ सर.
आप देखिए ये wonderful result of just one dose of Crotellus horridus 30 followed by alum. See, in certain cases we need alum in gross pathological changes, but if one dose is enough, it can cure the whole case. So one was given after 30 days and two was given after next 30 days. Total 2 to 3 months around, the case came to be negative for hepatitis B and much reduction in the cirrhosis of the liver. And that's all the case of Crotellus horridus. And we'll study the Crotellus horridus in detail. So this is the Crotellidi, the venomous pit viper, and it's also called timber rattlesnake. A rattle is to form the tail which is rattling, and horridus means very horrible. Now we have this animal classification from the kingdom Animalia. Then we have phylum Chordata. Then we have class Reptilia. Then we have Squamata. Then we have serpents. Then we have Viperidae. Then we have genus Crotellus and species Horridus. Now a little more about the kingdom part I would like to share with you. This Animalia was given by Linnaeus in 1753. So these are the Animalia, the kingdom. Then we have Chordata, which was given by Haeckel in 1874. This is Haeckel in 1874. In this Chordata, it is divided into some phyla, vertebrata, mammals, and cephalochordata, which is include lancets. So ये याद रखना, chordata is divided into vertebrata, then it is divided into mammals, and vertebrata we have fish, amphibians, reptiles, bird, and mammal. And Urochordata, I'm sorry, it is vertebrata, Urochordata, and cephalochordata. This is the three division of chordata. Yaad rakhna, chordata is divided into these three, and we have come from this vertebrata because of the mammal, right? Then further we'll learn. This is reptilia. These are the reptiles. This is the sea turtle and Tutera. This is Tutera. This is Nile crocodile, Senia gamma. These are all the animals of reptilia. Now we have Squamata. Squamata matlab a big mouth which can accommodate a big size of prey. This is called Squamata. It was given by Opel in 1811. So it is the largest order of reptiles, lizards, snakes, and amphibia. Amphibia, we have the remedy, you know it. So there is a remedy in Boric, which says large mouth to open for the prey. So we go from Animalia to Chordata, Chordata to Reptilia, and Reptilia to Squamata. Then we have Squamata. From Squamata, we have Toxifera, Toxicofera, and from Toxicofera, we have Ophidia, and from Ophidia, we have serpents. And it was suborder given by Linnaeus. Now, this is I'd like to show the picture of Carl Linnaeus. Yeah, here's the Linnaeus. Carl Linnaeus. Now this Carl Linnaeus has a credit for the discovery of Crotalus. And there is another person who found Lachesis, the boost master. He is Francois Marie Diodime. This is a French geologist who found this Lachesis. And he has a credit to find a lot of reptiles, frogs, and toads. He yaad rakhna, Carl Linnaeus has this credit. Now we'll go into the detail about the venomous snake, because Crotalus horridus is the venomous snake. And what are venoms? So venomous snakes are the species of serpents that are capable of producing venom. Simple है, venomous इसलिए क्योंकि venom secrete करते हैं, and they use it for killing prey for defense and to assist with digestion of prey. Now this venom is used for the digestion of prey as well as killing the prey, and it is done by delivering an injection using hollow grooved fang. Although some venomous snakes lack well-developed fangs, certain snake has this fang and certain snake doesn't have it. So we'll move further. What are the common venomous snakes? We have Ellipidi, Viperidae, Atractospidi, and Colubridae. And Colubridae, I would like to share with you, is one of the largest snake family. We have many snakes coming from Colubridae. Now what we have in toxicity of venom is Murin LD50, which is the multifactor for considering large potential danger to the human beings. Now, another important factor for risk assessment include likelihood that snake would bite, quality of venom delivered by this snake is very hemotoxic and neurotoxic. This is important properties that we have from this snake, right? So we have very interesting snake, Illipidi, the king cobra, and it is neurotoxic. Now this name given by one person, Theodore from Calcutta, where he found 3 species of king cobra, and he gave the name Hamadryas hana. And this was the name given by this Theodore from Calcutta. And there is an interesting snake. Naja name was given by Hermann. Ye yaad rakhna. The name of the snake Naja was given by Hermann. Now we have very interesting snake, that is Viperidae. मैं explain कर रहा हूँ which are the poisonous one. So these are the poisonous snakes. Yeah, they are viviparous. If you know what is viviparous, viviparous which gives live birth of a living small babies is vivus मतलब life. Beggets, the pere मतलब beggets. This snake is Ottoman viper. It is called Viper xanthina. Now this Viperidae give birth to the live young ones, right? That's why it is called viviparous. Now viper matlab living and peridae matlab the young ones, very young ones, that is born. Now we have very interesting Atrax speeds, which is mole vipers. This is the viper which burrows hole, which has a hole, which lives in a burrow, and it is found in Africa. The interesting snake found in Africa. Now we have a fang. This fangless is called Aglaphos. If it is on the rear part, it is called Opisthophos. And if its fixed part is Proteroglias, and if it is Solicophius, these are the types of fangs that we have. Now this Crotalidae, it is bit viper, crotalline snake. It is given in by ancient Greek. This rattlesnake rattle. Snake pit adders. It is a small family of venom vipers found in Eurasia and Americana. They are distinguished by the presence of heat sensing. Now, these vipers have very interesting heat sensors in their front part, which is located between the eyes and the nostril. The group of snake represents here is lens-head, rattlesnake, Asian pitts vipers, and this is the subfamily of Crotalus, right? Where the Crotalus horridus is called timber letter snake. Now I'd like to show you this part of a laurel pit. This is called laurel pit of a crotalline snake viper, which is visible between the eyes and the nostril. This is the laurel pit. Now, what is the importance of laurel pit? It is a deep depression or a fossa between the head and the nostril. And what is its important is to detect the sensitive infrared from the organ. Now, जब prey आ रहा है ना, तो उसको पता जानने के लिए these laurel pits are very important, and this helps in maintaining the body temperature of the snake. Okay, this is the Carl we have, and this is the Francois Mary Dodden. Now, in snake, to identify snake, we should know whether the person. I like to share one thing about the snakes. I'll open up my word file. Just a second. To know this patient is the snake, we have snakes with jealousy. We'll see jealousy which is coming out from the patient. How you'll identify the snake? First, the jealousy. This is the common symptom of our snake. Jealousy. Then we have a lot of competitiveness. Then we have clairvoyance. Then we have hallucination in snakes. Then we have they predict things is also important in snake. They revenge a lot. I remember of a case of black mamba. Black mamba is Dendroaspis. Now this Dendroaspis, black mamba, is very good snake found in Africa. Now I had this case of black mamba where the patient told me after the events of Godra Kand, and he saw a lot of people coming to attack, and he was being tortured, and he was buried alive, and lot of cruelty was seen. And I remember this case where I had given black mamba 30, and he improved. It's just the बता रहा हूँ black mamba का, and this very fearful snake it is. So snakes are good to prescribe, which are affinity for blood. We can see a lot of blood affinity. We can see a lot of liver problems in them. We can see a lot of neurological complaint. This is the totality of snake understanding, right? So now I request Nitin to read Crotalus horridus from Phatak. Nitin, are you ready with the Phatak?
हाँ sir.
Yeah, thank you. So we'll start reading from Phatak.
Crotalus horridus, generalities Phatak. The rattlesnake poison affects blood, heart, and liver. It produces profound nervous shock with deathly sickness, trembling, and prostration, easily tired by slight exertion. paralysis, post-diphtheric, and of the insane. It causes disorganization of the blood and tissues. Hemorrhages are slow oozing of dark thin blood, not the clots, from all the orifices and surface specially from pharynx. Bloody pus, sweat. Tissues are rapidly decomposing, producing putrid and malignant conditions. Dark or bluish paths, septic conditions, tonsil, goiter, ulcers, abscess, blood boils. Pathology, gangrene, neuralgia as a sequel to sepsis, chronic biliousness, climatic conditions, faintings, convulsions, epilepsy with trembling of the limbs, foaming at the mouth, violent cries, delirium, plague, yellow fever, jaundice, general burning, mouldy odors of secretions, sclerosis, multiple and lateral, progressive muscular atrophy, suitable in the broken down constitution and for old age nutritional troubles.
Now, the Nitin.
Ill effects
now
of
this
fright.
is very Nitin, एक second, Nitin. Now, this is very important point of this snake, old age nutrition problem. So, what happens when you see the MRI scan or CT scan brain, where you will see cerebral atrophy in old age. Now, this in Crotellus cases, you can also see cerebral atrophy, and we should think about this remedy, Crotellus horridus. मैं थोड़ा clear करना चाहूँगा. If you see MRI or CT scan of an old person showing cerebral atrophy, we should also think about this Crotellus horridus, right? Take it into this consideration. Yeah, thank you. Nitin.
Ill effects of fright, sun, lightning, foul water, noxious effluvia. Affects the right side. Edema, general or of affected part.
Affected part. Now this is the right side snake, and Lacus is the left side. This is the DD with this snake. Unfortunately, I collect lot of differentiation with there because now the things have patient has started coming and I collect that part. So अभी future में मिलेगा तो we'll collect lot of differentiation. Yeah, Nitin, please.
Birds from lying on the right side, falling to sleep, warm, damp, wet weather, spring season, alcohol, yearly, jar on awakening. Better by light and motion.
Better by motion.
Mind, weeping mood, weak memory, cannot express himself correctly. Plaintive speech, timid, fears evil, mistakes in writing, delirium is muttering, mumbles, jumbles, and stumbles over his words. Tremens. Melancholy, sad, thoughts dwell on the death. Senile dementia. Incipient, forgets the figures, names, and places, or suspicious about his friends, or feels as if surrounded by foes or hideous animals.
Force पता है ना? What is force? What is force? Can anyone tell me what is force? FOES. What is foes?
Enemy, sir.
These are the foes and foes. Foes are enemies, right? Okay.
Antipathy to his family.
Hmm.
Irritable cross. Head. Vertigo with faintness, weakness, trembling. Pain in the occiput as of a blow. In waves from spine. Severe pain at the center of forehead. Headache with pain in the heart on lying on the left side. Headache worse from jarring, must walk on tip of toe.
Now this is very, very important symptom of Crotalus. Underline कर देना पाठक में. Headache, worse, jarring, must walk on tiptoe. Very, very important. This is the most important headache symptom of Crotalus horridus. Yeah.
Eyes burning red with lacrimation, yellow color of eye, neuralgia as if a cut had been made around the eye. Absorbs the intraocular hemorrhage, especially non-inflammatory and retinal. Amblyopia from the grief or from overuse of vision.
अच्छा, ये एब्जॉर्प्शन वाला कहाँ लिखा हुआ है पता है? बोरिक में एब्जॉर्ब इंट्राओकुलर हेमरेज और एनी कैटरेक्ट पार्ट एब्जॉर्प्शन. एनी रेमेडी डू यू रिमेंबर?
Arnica?
Okay, fine. Any other drug inspiration from the participant?
Adampal?
Ledampal. Now we'll see, very interesting. Now we'll open. Go to Seneca. Boric Medica eyes.
Seneca.
Seneca eyes पढ़ना बेटा.
Eye.
Nitin.
Eyes. Hyperphoria. Better by bending the head backwards. X on the rectus superior. Blepharitis. Lids dry and crusty, like graphitis. Dryness with sensation as if too large for orbits. Staring, lacrimation, flickering, must wide eyes frequently. Objects look shaded. Muscular asthenopia, like causticum. Double vision, better only by bending head backward. Opacities of the vitreous humor, promotes absorption of the fragments of lens after operation.
Operation, my God. इसको 3 बार. ये 3.
हाँ sir.
3 times.
Promotes absorption of fragments of lens after operation. Again, promotes absorption of fragments of the lens after operation.
So in ophthalmic cases, this is one of the best remedy to fragments of the lens operation of any Seneca decade, and we use it, but I use it in 6 hours, so that's I know. So I showed you this remedy, Seneca. So Seneca or any option on the eyes. Remember this drug. Okay, back to
Ears, auditory vertigo, blood oozes from the ear. Nose, Epistaxis, especially during diphtheria or other septic diseases. Ozena, syphilitic, from exanthema. Tip of nose is blue and red. Face, distorted on waking. Lips are swollen, stiff, and numb. Dark, besotted face. Face is yellow, death-like pallor.
Nitin, एक second. Dark besotted face can't
Baptisia.
Which other remedy? Very good. It is the baptisia. Remember baptisia in this context. This besotted means that's why it is called besotted. In a typhoid cases, fail, we should also think of corticosteroids with a yellow face. So that yellowness given because of the jaundice part of the corticosteroids. Okay, thank you, Niti. Please continue.
Lockjaw, acne of masturbators, of drunkards with delayed menses.
ये सबसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला था, फाटक का एक एंड में पंच जबरदस्त होता है ऑफ मास्टरबेट्स ऑफ ड्रंकर्स विद डिलेड मेंसेस. वेरी वेरी क्लिनिकल इंडिकेशन ऑफ एक्ने का. ये नहीं बोलना. वेरी नाइस पंच he gives in the end. Yeah.
Mouth grinds the teeth at night. Tongue is yellow, swollen, protruded to the right.
To the right.
Fills up with saliva. Saliva is bloody, frothy. Cancer of the tongue with hemorrhage. Stiff palate. Cannot speak on account of sensation of constriction around tongue and throat.
Very, very.
Throat.
Nitin.
Hello.
Hello. Nitin.
सर आपकी आवाज कट हो रही है.
अच्छा नितिन, cannot speak on account of sensation of conceive. पढ़ना please.
Cannot speak on account of sensation of constriction around the tongue and throat.
Good. Throat.
Throat, dry with thirst. Tight constriction. Difficult in swallowing anything solid. Throat is gangrenous, swollen.
Acha, Nitin.
Stomach.
Nitin, there is one remedy,
Yes,
epilobium. 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 क्या बाजू में आप लिख दो एपिलोबियम. एपिलोबियम. जो मैं एपिलोबियम लिख दो, मैं आपको कभी फ्यूचर में बताऊंगा द सिम्टम ऑफ एपिलोबियम.
Stomach craves pork, stimulants, sugar. Vomiting is bilious, grass green, cannot in anything, cannot wear clothes round the stomach. Vomiting, purging, and urination simultaneously. Cancer with ulcer of the stomach, Vomits on lying right side. Vomiting of blood black. Monthly nausea and vomiting after menses. Abdomen swollen, hot, tender, peritonitis. Inguinal glands are swollen. Bleeding from anus when standing and walking. Stools are black, thin, offensive. Perineal abscess. Jaundice, hematic, malignant. Coldness in the stomach or abdomen as from a piece of ice.
This is very important. ये underline करते हैं. ये cancer symptom है. Cancer symptom.
Pain in the liver and top of shoulders. Intestinal hemorrhage.
There is very interesting remedy called sanguisuga. Sanguisuga. यहाँ ऊपर लिख दो. Bleeding from anus when standing. Bleeding from anus we have sanguisuga. ऊपर लिख देना sanguisuga. Good drug to remember. Yeah. Nitin.
Urinary organs. Dark bloody urine. Albuminous, scanty, green, yellow. Hematuria with cancer of bladder or prostate.
See the cancer of bladder or prostate. Hematuria, very important cancer remedy. Yeah.
Female, dysmenorrhea with pain in hypogastrium, down the thighs, with aching in the region of heart, sensation as if the uterus. Puerperal fever, offensive lochia, phlegmasia alba dolens, worst touch. Anxious, labored breathing. Cough with bloody sputum of mouldy odor. Operation in old people.
Operation in old people. Underline.
Heart. Heart. Weak, trembles, loose, turns over. Palpitation during menses.
Menses, very, very important. Like amyl nitrosum and calcarea gas. Palpitation during menses.
Heart tender when lying on left side. Extremities. Arms and legs become numb. First one and then the other.
Then the other. Superb.
Pain in the top of shoulders. Right-sided paralysis.
Good.
Paralysis of left hand and leg. When sewing the hands, feels dead. Cannot keep the legs still.
Like जिंकम जैसे. जिंकम again. Or pain in the top of shoulder. If it is on the right side, we have ferrum mure. आप यहाँ लिख लो आप right sided ferrum muraticum. आवाज बहुत आ रहा है बीच में, पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. ये जो है ना, pain in the top of shoulder, on the right side we have ferrum muraticum. बाजू में लिख दो ferrum mure. Yeah? Okay. Yes, Nitin.
Sleep, drowsy but cannot sleep. Sleepless from nervous agitation. Horrible dreams of dead. Suffocation, awakening after.
And in this case, we have dream of father. That is very interesting of crocodile again.
Fever, malignant fevers, eye fever, yellow fever, cerebrospinal meningitis, black water fever, sweat is cold and bloody. Skin, yellow, jaundice, septicemia, purpura hemorrhagica, bloody boils, carbuncles, phalon, old cicatrices break open again. Edema about the affected part. Skin is cold and dry. Skin shows every tint of color. Related to lacasis and sulfuric acid. Complementary to lycopus.
See how interesting it is related to lycopus. Now this lycopus smells things and then eat. One symptom. Another symptom of lycopus is it is the remedy from suppressed hemorrhoids. Remember this lycopus. And third part which I know is the cardiac pathology. So in many cases with cardiac and the thyroid complaint, lycopus is the remedy. So आपको lycopus कैसे याद रखना है? सूंघते हैं. दूसरा पाइल्स को अगर सप्रेस किया हो और कार्डियक सिम्टम आ रहे हैं, think about lycopus. And palpitation with history of thyroid changes. This is lycopus. Now remember this remedy, lycopus. Tomorrow we have strontium carb. It is a mineral, and I want something to do something different. जो interested participant है, जो कुछ भी लिख रहे हैं, तो मुझे कल आप लोग ऐसा कुछ बनाइए जहाँ आपको स्केच बुक के अंदर एटलीस्ट 5-10 सिम्टम बना के मुझे आप वीडियो में बताइए. Shall we do it this thing, Nitin?
Yes, sir.
कल हम क्या करेंगे? स्ट्रॉन्चियम कार्ब के बारे में आप लोग सब लोग एक एक करके कुछ ना कुछ जो लिखा हो मुझे आप वीडियो खोल के बताइए. और वो जैसे आपके पास कोई स्केच बुक हो या स्मॉल पेपर हो, एनीथिंग विच यू नो अबाउट strontium carb. We'll spend at least 5 to 10 minutes with strontium carb. Okay? तो ये एक्टिविटीज मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. जो कोई भी ये लेके आएगा, I'll definitely appreciate that. So this will be the activity for tomorrow at 7 o'clock. It is done?
Yes, sir.
So have a nice day. May God bless you all. Hope everyone is fine. Stay blessed. Thank you so much for today.
Thank you, sir.
Good night. Yeah, thank you to all.
Sir, thank you for